Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the next part of my Axial SCX10 II upgrade series. In this episode, we are going to be upgrading the foams on these tires. I am running Pro-line BF Crawlers. Right now it's got the stock foams, and one of the things about stock foams are once they break in, they get kind of flimsy and you get no sidewall support. So, I mean, sometimes when you're side hilling, it'll just roll over. The tires will just roll over like that. So, what I'm going to be using is these Proline dual stage foams, 1.9 size. There. And I'll be putting these in the tires. And we'll be right back when I get them in. Here is the BF Crawlers with the stock foams and some beadlock wheels, and you see there's no sidewall support. Yeah. So putting the Proline foam should help with that. And I'm going to start putting them in. Alright, I've got one of the Proline dual stage foams in right now, and you'll see that there's some flexibility at the top or on the outsides and a little bit more stiffness towards the center. And it also should help with the sidewall stability. So I'll go ahead and do this to the other 3 tires on the truck, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I've got the foams inserted into all 4 tires, and basically this is it. You can see that the tires have a little bit more stability, and it's less prone to rolling sidewalls, as you can see right there. So overall it should help, especially when the truck is side hilling. And I can't wait to take it out on the trail. Thanks for watching.